Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making spaghetti and meat sauce. Let's get started. First, we'll go brown the meat and then cut the onions. Oh, it's really hard. Guys, if you're little, don't try this at home. Since the meat is browning, my dad's gonna cut the onions. This is very dangerous, kids. Don't try this at home. You have to get adult supervision. Hi. Daddy's doing really well. Onions are spicy, you know. That's another example.
Say it again.
So my dad and I picked some basils from our garden.
So this is fresh basil. We're gonna add this into the spaghetti meat sauce. That smells delicious.
Yeah.
There you go. There's fresh basil. We'll add this into the onions. And we're gonna cook all that together.
Yep. And I'm gonna cook it all together.
So we have some chopped onion and some fresh basil with some minced garlic, and we'll put all that together. And we'll saute that in the pan.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So my dad and I are gonna put the onion and the garlic and the basil in the pan.
And we're gonna add in some sugar, some salt, and some pepper.
Yep. Now my dad is gonna stir it all, but be careful, really hard. I just want to get a little bit. Oh, you can smell it. That's good. I like it how you smell it.
So just sweat these onions for about a minute or two and then add the meat back in.
Yeah, with the onions and stuff like that. So we added the meat back in with the onions. My dad is doing well in this episode. I'll just say that for now. Now I'm going to put the noodles in the pot. Oh, that nearly splashed on me. So now we add the sauce to our meat mixture. That's a lot of sauce. The meat sauce is almost done. Now let's check the noodles. Up. They're almost done. Now my dad's gonna drain the noodles. Make sure to use adult supervision. Steam. Now my dad has plated the spaghetti. Now let's add the meat sauce. Now we added the meat sauce. Let's put cheese topping. Now we add some fresh basil. Voila! So here's our spaghetti and meat sauce. I think this is a really good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this with you. If you like this video, then smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye!